What the hell?
Oh my God!
Who the? Oh my God! It's the Beast! F5! It seems rumors of his. It's the Beast! F5 for Brock Lesnar! The Beast! F5 for Brock Lesnar! To Oba Femi! He was embarrassed. He was humiliated by Oba at WrestleMania. This monster, Oba Femi!
Where the hell did he come from?
Brock Lesnar with Oba Femi!
Lesnar is relentless. Stay down. Lesnar now with punches. He's dismantling Oba Femi.
He's not done there. He was embarrassed.
You're done.
Get off!
Not a chance. This is over.
The night that Brock left his gloves, he left his boots in the ring. It seems rumors of his demise. Oba Femi on his shoulders and another F5.
You're done, Femi. Get off me. Stay down. With the F5. What power. Oba Femi is in trouble. And down a devastating impact. Oba Femi is flattened. Brock Lesnar has Oba Femi up for the F5. He's spinning. What power. He connects the F5. Oba Femi is down. What an impact. Brock Lesnar asserting his dominance here.
A huge bear hug. Femi's in trouble.
Femi's fighting back, but Lesnar's power is just too much. And a massive suplex. Femi is down. Oh my, a devastating slam. Lesnar is in total control. And now the ground assault begins. Oba Femi is in trouble. What a beatdown. You want some more? Stay down. Not yet. Brock Lesnar attaccò Femi. Prendi questo. Oba Femi a terra. Che brutalità. Oba Femi si rialza. Che resistenza. Ma Brock Lesnar non molla. Brock Lesnar with a power slam. Oba Femi is down. Lesnar is relentless. Ground and pound. Oba Femi is fighting back. What a war. They're going at it. Slam. Oba Femi is down. Oba Femi is in trouble. Lesnar is relentless. Stay down. Lesnar now with punches. He's dismantling Oba Femi. Lesnar has him up. He's going for the F5. Spinning around, building momentum. And he delivers a massive F5. Oba Femi is down. What a move. Lesnar with the power slam. Not today. Oba Femi is down. What power. Lesnar's not letting up. Get up. Up for the F5. He spins and slams him down. A massive F5. The cover now. Oba Femi is down. Brock Lesnar wins.